We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up CAD, NZD, price action. We are in a monthly time frame. Price action. Last candle to a red right hand side is a bearish red candle. It looks pretty solid. Second last candle is a doji, so that market can be dropping down from that area to a certain point. That market could create a support somewhere in that area to push back up, or we can get that consolidation. Price action, overall higher highs. Price action, overall lower lows. Midpoint in the middle. Adding second level lows. Let's identify where price action currently is. Price action is between the overall midpoint and second level lows. So if this market is going to work its way up from this area, market is coming from first, second, third, fourth, retest, market pushed up. So market's coming from a head and shoulders pattern or a triple bottom. Market did break the second level lows, retest, and we did receive a break. So we think about another midpoint being here. Price broke, reached up to this high. Second last candle is a doji with a long wick up to the top, showing that the market lost momentum and it can be coming back down at least up to the midpoint, but drop down further for a retest, and it may just push up. If not, market's coming down from overall first leg, second leg. Market pushed up for that third, received that engulfment pattern. So either pattern going to happen near the second last candle, or price action can engulf the third to last candle with a red candle and work that market back down to at least second level lows. If it breaks down further, we look for the market to break and retest to work down and becoming from a double top and a retest. Price action on the weekly time frame is a bearish red candle working its way down from this high. So what are we receiving? Overall highest area. If that market's going to come down from the first leg, second last candle is a retest. Price action is a push, so it's creating that M pattern. It stopped that area near that midpoint of highs and lows. If it breaks that area, it may push down further in red to the next level. If not, we may follow up with a break and retest or a doji that's going to push that market down further. And this market is respected for this market to come up. It's coming from this pattern on this side, which is that W. So we do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg formation of the W. Market can be retesting the previous area, looking for the pattern to see if it's going to respect that. Follow up with a bullish green candle. Market's coming from a double bottom and a retest, so we received a push. Or that market can consolidate sideways within this area. So market broke, retest, and we'll see the market bounce up and down until a pattern is formed for that market to go in that direction. Headed down to the daily time frame. Price action in the daily time frame is a bearish red candle. So price is coming from, let's say the price is going to drop down from this area. Overall, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest, market push once, coming from a double top and a retest. It's near that midpoint line of highs and lows. So that market's going to work its way up. We can see that formation. We did identify it on the earlier time frame. First, second, third, fourth, double bottom. Market broke, came back to retest. Still looking for that engulfment pattern in this area. See if that area is going to be respected for the support. Bullish green candle can work that area back up for the push. On the 4-hour time frame, price action is identifying a doji. Second last candle is also a doji, just a weak candle. Both have long wicks to the bottom, so it's tagging an area of support here. So what's the market doing is it pushed once with the second last candle, and it came back for a retest. So besides it being side within each other, for that side to side working its way for consolidation, is also two pushes down to that bottom, creating that double bottom. And above that, we can see that market creating that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. And this area is showing that it's losing momentum, so it can be coming back for a retest for that market to work its way down further. Okay, so if market's going to respect here and work its way up, we're just looking for a pattern to form in this area. So it can look something like this: first leg, second leg, third leg, push up for that W, retest, and work its way up back to previous areas. Headed down to 3-hour time frame, side by side, price action, bullish green doji. Okay, side by side with the second last candle, which is a bullish green candle, solid. Okay, so what happened with the market? Market spiked down, second last candle pushed up, price action candle stopped at that midpoint of that area. So it's between the third and fourth leg of that market. Headed down to the 2-hour time frame. Price action on the 2-hour time frame is a doji. So fourth to last candle, first leg, second leg, third leg, and the market works way sideways. So it's reading the same thing. Price, second, third, fourth to last candle is in consolidation. And now we can see a pattern trying to form on a 1-hour time frame. So if it's respected, first, second, third, market respects and shoots up for that W. If not, that's the break of the market. So market broke that area. So then I would be looking for the break, the retest, and then we're looking for the push after the engulfment pattern. So we did receive that engulfment pattern with the price action candle, but price action is lined up with the area of support to the previous side. So we gotta wait till markets do what it do. Head to the 45, first, second, consolidated sideways, second last candle is the third leg, market pushed right back up, so it's sitting at that high. On a 30-minute, if we do have a decline, we can see that formation of the first, second, third, and the market pushed down for the fourth. Price action came back for a retest with a small bullish green doji. Head down to the 15, still reading the same thing. This area is just consolidating sideways, and in a previous time frame, market just sitting with one candle in this area. On the 15, market's getting blurry. Spotted. 3 minute as well. 1 minute as well. So you'll be taking trades up to the 15-minute time frame with a little more clear patterns. Please review Forex pattern, cheat sheet, breakout and retest, strategy, images. Okay guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. CAD NZD.